Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for calling into Rich Solar today. Hi, Billy here. This Thanksgiving, we wanted to take a moment and express our gratitude for you. From all of us at Rich Solar, thank you for your gracious support over the years as we bring you quality products for your off-grid solar needs. We value your feedback and concerns. We want to make sure that we can deliver everything you need for your solar setups.
If you've never heard of Go Rich Solar, you are truly missing out.
To make my customers happy, I made sure to get them panels that were not only just reliable, but were also efficient. And Rich Solar hit all the marks.
The upcoming year is going to be huge as we prepare to launch new and exciting solar products. Also stay tuned to Rich Solar Talks for new products, tutorials, and videos exploring the possibilities of off-grid life. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and we look forward to giving you the best service for years to come. From all of us at Rich Solar, happy Thanksgiving. Have a solar day.